We can smile if you want. If you take a photo.
Next one. Okay.
Okay. You say cheese and we.
Okay. Let's do selfie.
Okay.
Ready?
Saya orang
Cheese. So, okay, today. Mathematical?
yes, measurement, math. Do you need anything
So I have a presentation.
in USB cable or in your flash card?
I sent to. Okay, let me see.
Why Telegram? Do you have Telegram?
Yes.
Okay, you can. Google Telegram kimdeki?
Telegram bu. Wi-Fi, bana Wi-Fi udan.
Ya bak. Kayda düşüyorsun. Telegram siz Telegram'la tasarım edin. Mr. Bu color apa itu? Can I?
Hani işte hatta saçta kim bilir? Ne geçleme yaptık?
Right here, sir. It's a new room.
Yeah.
So I just need to get the.
We must restart, I think.
Okay.
Some problem is
Okay. Do you have?
Hamada kalamla sitting.
Today we have two assistants. Results.
Bugünümüzdeki öğrencimiz var, Beyzat.
Translating. Mr. Mohammed Yusuf. We are both teachers at President Maktab.
Prezidentimizle ikimiz ama konuşmasına geldik.
And we work together with grade 8 and grade 9.
Biz 8 at 9, second and Thomas Vegas on the captain.
Okay. So I think most of you I don't recognize, so you are new.
Sırada katapsınlar, ben tanımak var. Sırada iki sınavı kullanasınlar.
Yok. Yani.
Oh, one or two, yes. Some new.
Yeah, some of them.
So push ellipses.
Thank you.
Welcome.
We are going to look at solving trigonometric inequalities today.
Trigonometrik tengsizliklarni ko'p tushunamiz bugun darsda.
Okay. Do we use the unit circle in class? It's a question.
Yes.
Do we use unit circle in class? Great. So I think for students, if it's the first time, it can be very confusing. So today I will be showing you maybe one way of introducing the unit circle for our students. If you have heard me speak before, I always say the importance of visualizing. It's very important to visualize. Okay. Mathematics is often very symbolic, not symbolic. Mathematics is very often conceptual and visual. So to understand it's
Matematik doim
important.
shu ko'rishga asoslanadi. Ko'pincha ko'rishga asoslanadi, ya'ni ko'rib o'rganganlikka asoslanadi.
If you have questions, please ask.
Agar savollar bo'lsa, so'rab oling.
So, do we know how to?
Telegram endi ishlash kerak.
Do you know how to do the presentation?
Yes.
Ne ishlash?
Okay, so while we are doing this, if you can make so
Should I open the file?
yes, please.
How much the radius?
Okay, so I would suggest radius yeta
Yes.
centimeter and also besh yeta
500.
2
Yetti sig'ma yapıyor. Yetti sig'ma yapıyor.
Çıkma yaptın mı? Çizim açılmaz.
It's more for 7.
it doesn't
It's more for 7.
let's see. 14
Okay. I will. This.
It's yours, it's easy to pick. It is yours, it's easy to pick.
okay
Part of the body, yeah. It's part of your body.
yes
It's yours, it's easy to pick.
yes
The same situation. It's easy if it's yours, remember?
you're not having to wait
Yeah.
for the next person. It's true. Okay
What do you need?
this one okay easy way
Osman yolu.
move the
Paper.
part
Qog'ozni yuzing.
Yeah.
Bilmas, qog'oz.
because your hand like this
Qog'oz
easy move the paper
Kağıt veririz gerek ya.
okay no so no yok later
Aslında bir kilo olacak. You can zoom in on the map if you want to.
Beşliğim var da 5 kap gitti.
So, at the end of today's session, we are going to see if we can solve these inequalities and we can make use of our unit circle.
Darsimiz so'ngida biz boshqa sabab tanishib chiqqan bo'lamiz. Darsimiz so'ngiga yetganda what did you say?
We can make use, we can use the unit circle.
Biz ayna birligini ishlashimiz mumkin bo'ladi oxirida.
Birinchi oyun.
Okay, great. Now, first, we must understand the unit circle.
Biz dastlab o'sha ayna birligini tushunib olishimiz kerak o'zimizga.
Does anyone know why it is called a unit circle?
Nimaga bu ayna birligi deb atalganligini biladigan bormi? Because of the radius is 1.
Radius, better. Unit. Great. Okay. This, what is this?
Nima bu?
Yes, hours.
Hours.
Clock. Clock.
On no. Which?
6,
6, 9.
Tokes
9.
and
12.
Aniki. Yes.
12.
Okay, so every 12 hours,
Her 12 saat.
the cycle repeats.
Ayna tekrarlanadi. Her 12
Good,
saat.
good, good. Zero is
0. To'g'ri.
top. Okay.
Eng yuqorisi 0.
And this direction,
Bu yo'nalish
clockwise.
hands of watch, hands of the clock.
Yes, the hands of the
Clock
clock.
hands.
So clockwise. Okay.
Soat strikes.
What is this?
Bu nima?
Okay. So the unit circle, 0,
Ayna birligi 0.
yeah, positive x axis.
Plus x.
Musbat yönelmiş.
Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. So similar but different.
Lekin har xil. O'xshaydi lekin turli.
Some children,
Ba'zi bolalar
when I worked in primary school,
boshqa narsalar qilganimda
had great difficulty
eng katta qiyinchilik
reading the time.
reading the time.
Yes, reading the
Vaqtni
time.
Vaqt o'qish.
vaqt o'qish.
Is it true here in Uzbekistan? Is
Yes.
children find difficult? Is it true?
yes, of course, they can see digital time.
Ah, right. So
They use it to see the time.
yeah.
As they need it to watch.
So even for young children, this is a difficult concept.
Bu hattoki o'sha kichkina bolalarga ham bu qiyin masala. Qiyin bo'ladi.
If we are measuring the length,
Agar uzunlikni o'lchayotgan bo'lsak,
we have 0
bizda 0 bor,
and linear or straight scale.
sizda bor,
Yes. No repetition.
qaytarilmaydi.
So 1 o'clock
Va
in the afternoon
ertadan keyin 1,
is on uch.
13,
Yeah, it's confusing.
1-2 marta keladi bir kunda. Soat 1ga. O'shani qo'yadi.
It repeats.
Va qaytariladi.
So this is 1 hour hand,
Bu 1 soat. Soat qo'li. Soat
our hand, and our hand.
hour. Soatniki bu.
1,
2, 3.
uch. Okay. But on a real clock, we have our hand, we have minute hand, we have second hand.
Agar har soatda bo'lgan bo'lsa, minutda, soatda, sekundda shu alohida qo'llari bo'ladi. Straight keladi.
This is base 10. 10, 20, 30, 40.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
This is base 12.
12.
Now it's confusing.
Bu changashtirish oson bo'lib qoladi. Changashtirish mumkin bo'lgan narsa. Chunki aylanadi soat. Shuning uchun changashtirish mumkin bo'ladi.
So, for students who are learning new concepts, it can be very difficult. We may be comfortable with it, but our students is like.
Bizga oson tuyulishi mumkin, lekin hattoki ba'zi katta o'quvchilarga ham qiyin tuyulishi mumkin bu narsa.
So I think if we allow them to explore
Agar biz ularga kashf qilishga, o'rganishga yo'l beradigan bo'lsak,
the ideas,
g'oyalarni,
they will have a stronger understanding.
ular kuchliroq tushunadi buni.
Okay.
Yaxshiroq tushunadi.
And one way
Bitta yo'li
is to make ask the students to make a unit circle.
aylana birligini yasash.
Make, like,
Push, yes,
make it. Okay. So also we have degrees,
Darajalar bor, bizda
Ular-
bundan tashqari
radians. So it's
radian.
radian. So another level of complexity because two different measures.
Ikki
Degrees,
turli xil o'lchamlar bor bizda. Darajalar
360,
360,
2 pi.
ikki o'lcham bor. Aylana o'zida o'shanga chaqib qolish mumkin. O'quvchilar.
So I would like you now to
Men siz bilishni xohlardimki,
make a unit circle.
aylana chizing.
Okay. This just shows the first quadrant.
Cho'ragi quarter,
Quadrant.
chorak.
Okay. Just quarter chorak. Okay.
Birinchi chorak.
Cho'ragi.
You can make all 4 quadrants. All 4 quadrants. Okay. These gaps equal.
Bu boşluklar tek. Oralar tek.
15 kere basacağım.
30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Okay. So maybe if you have this,
Sirküllerimiz
you can find a way.
topishimiz mumkin. Teng chiqarishni yo'l topishingiz mumkin agar sevgingiz bo'lsa.
So you divide the circle into 12.
12 ga bo'lasiz aylanani.
Yes. This way, or if you have a tractor,
Transportingiz bo'lsa,
it's easier. Tractor is easier. Like this. You can use this, or you can use this. Okay. So, can you make?
qila olamizmi?
And some from Google, some ideas here. This is nice because the colors.
Ranglari ikki xil, shuning uchun bu yaxshiroq.
So the cosine is the x ordinate, and the sine is the y ordinate. So you can see from this diagram, it shows how to read the
Qanaqa
unit
qilib
circle.
o'qishni ko'rsatadi bu.
I'm going too fast. You can do
Siz qilishingiz mumkin.
pi over 6 radians, pi over 3 radians. This one you can leave.
Pi taqsim 6, pi taqsim 3 radianlarni ham qilishingiz mumkin deyapti.
But if you want to add it later, you can add it later.
Agar keyinroq qo'shib qo'ymoqchi bo'lsangiz, keyinroq qo'shib qo'yishingiz mumkin.
So the outer circle is to label the coordinates of each point. Yes.
Belgilash kerak. Siz shu
Like this outer circle is to label the coordinates.
label. Belgilash kerak ekan.
Okay.
Shunday label
Yes.
each
Yes.
one
Yes.
belgilashdan kerak ekan.
Now this one. This one.
Pi bilan belgilasa bo'ladimi shu? Pi taqsim necha to'qqiz belgilasam, shuni belgilasin deyapti. Yo'q, pi taqsim. Pi bilan belgilash kerak.
This one is to show you can move the
Siz
line
mumkin.
to show the angle. You can move the line. So I have this small
Kichkina
to go in here.
bu yerga qo'yamiz.
And this like this, and then you can move. Like this. I have. So now you can start making. Yes.
Siz tayyorlash boshlaying. To'liq turib, Qo'mon haqida tushundim. Qo'mon haqida tushundim.
Okay, it's a good question. So if you are going to use this to teach unit circles, would you ask your students maybe just to do the first quadrant?
Birinchi yarim choragiga, birinchi choragiga.
And then afterwards they can look at the other quadrants as well.
Birinchi belgilagandan keyin qolganlarga o'tishlarim yo'q o'slaysan.
As you are doing this activity, please can you discuss any ideas in terms of how you would teach? So discuss as well.
Muhokama qilib ko'ringlar. Qanaqa o'qitgan bo'lamizlar, shu narsani o'qishlaydi. Shuni muhokama qilib ko'ringlar. Qanaqasi g'oya o'zi o'qitish bo'yicha.
For example, how do we know these values? How do we know these values?
Bu raqamlarni qayerdan olganmiz? Bu qiymatlarimizni qayerdan olganmiz?
Intercept, intercept.
How do you derive those values? So is it possible to actually, without calculator, is it possible to
Bu
derive?
kalkulyatorsiz hisoblash mumkinmi? Bularni mana shu hisoblarni, qiymatlarni.
So you, yes. So you can discuss and explore.
Anaqa soat yasaylar. Kirish qiyin bo'ladi. Ana. Yes. Is it like? Qilsa bo'larkan lekin. Hozir o'qituvchilari ham anaqa diqqatini jamlab qo'ydi-da, misol uchun. Bolalarning diqqatini o'sha kimiki chiroyli chiqadi deb ranglab. Ha, chizgan, o'sha yaxshi.
O'quvchiga ma'lum tez chiqib ketib qoladi, pishiqroq bo'ladi.
It's more secure.
It's nicer.
Do you have more?
Yo'q, beraman, olib beraman. Bugun bitta olib ketdim. Keyingi payshanbaga olib beraman deyapti.
She will bring it next the day, same day next week.
Okay.
Next Thursday.
O'zingiz kompasda, o'sha joyida.
Very creative.
Yeah. Just go like that.
Transport is come.
Stripga qirqaylik ikkalamizga, mankidan.
Yes. A little bit.
Yeah. O'zimga. Saying that some of them know English and they can translate if they use offensive words to them, they can translate it easily.
I should use offensive words.
No, if we should, if we use.
I don't think I will.
Ja, dat is wel gewoon in het man.
Some children, they sing to English music. And
Bazı bolalar İngiliz müzikten kuylaydi.
when I'm hearing the music, I'm thinking,
Qachon müzik eshitgan paytda men o'ylaymanki,
this is not appropriate.
bu munosib emas, bu to'g'ri emas.
Bad language.
Yomon tildan foydalanadi,
Yeah. But they don't know.
lekin ular bilmaydi.
Buzib gapiraman, buzib
Ular
gapiraman.
nima eshitganini bilmaydi, lekin actually me too.
They like the beats, but
Rappers.
the words sometimes are a problem.
Yeah.
If I go in a taxi and hear the music, I'm like, it's not good.
Agar taksi ish qolsam, musiqani eshitib qolaman, yaxshi emas deyman. Endi ularni cho'z so'kayotgan bo'ladi. Ha, yoshlar shunaqa. O'zlar shunaqa. Biz bilan eshitamiz
What is your favorite music?
Classical music. Tchaikovsky, Rachmaninoff, Beethoven, yes. Vivaldi. Oh, it's relaxing. You're young.
Yesterday. Yesterday.
It's very good.
Listen,
Ciddi uzunroqmi? Ikki hammasini bilishimiz kerak. Hamma jihatdan qanchalik
Mutlaka ishlatganda. Men o'zim aytib beryapman. Men rep eshitaman.
Choruvchi chiqmasin.
This is I can translate like you do the everyday words without any thinking. I can translate that simple. But when it comes to the special purpose English for special purposes like biology, like math, physics, some
Tell me, Lydia.
yeah.
This can just explain.
Try not to pay attention to translation.
I like this diagram because they've shown the angles, degrees.
Men bu doirani yaxshi ko'raman, sababi bu darajani ham, burchaklarni ham ko'rsatadi.
And radians.
Radianlarni ham ko'rsatgan.
So you may want to add this. You may want to add this. Okay, sweet. So you want to
Hozir
they
egasan.
can continue to
Kamera.
Davom etishimiz mumkin.
Qolganini ham chizaylikmi ekan hammasini?
Shunda javob olamiz.
Çizeylikmi?
Voydo.
Maths teacher?
yes.
That's your English?
Yes.
Better than?
Similar level maybe. What do you think was done with this?
So'rayapman, o'rtog'a bizdan o'tgan. Aka ham o'zbek bilan o'zbek-ku. Nesini dars berami yo matematik dars berami? Matematik dars beradi deyapti. Ingliz tilini biladimi? Mana yaxshilarmi, undan so'rayapman.